Now, this is the most famous place, and it's also the most crowded place, so just be ready for it, especially if you're going to go during peak season. If you're going to go on a weekend, this place can really be packed with a lot of people. And one of the things that you're going to notice, especially here and a lot of places in Trabzon, you're going to see a lot of people from the Arab countries. This is their number one destination in Turkey, especially with a lot of people that just got married as their honeymoon. So all this, guys, here is mineral water from the mountains. This thing right here, guys, goes for hours and hours. We've literally driven like 4 hours up the mountain, and we've been on top of that mountain over there above the clouds, like all the way on top right there. And there's a beautiful village on top. We were here 2 years ago.